Good Tuesday evening, everybody. David Paul here, KHOU 11 Weather Center. It has been a hot day. It's been a hot couple of days. Yesterday, 99. Today, it looks like the high was 99. I did not see us hit 100. We're still sifting through the minute-by-minute data. It's going to be close, but 99 is what's going down right now. Rain chances will be creeping up, and this is going to be a process of slowly dropping temps a little bit and then raising rain chances. By the time we get into the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, at least a 50-50 chance both days for scattered showers and thunder showers, and this is going to break the near triple-digit weather and put us back in the low to mid-90s and make things a little more bearable. It's nice when you got a few showers around to cool us off on a summer day in Houston. So those are rain chances moving forward. 20% tomorrow. May see a shower as early as tomorrow afternoon. Thursday, 30%. Friday, 40%. Saturday and Sunday, back to 50%. Temps today, 97 at College Station. Nowhere near the record of 105, which was set on this day in College Station back in 1912. Bush Intercontinental Airport did hit 99. The record is 101, set in 1907. Now, Bush Intercontinental Airport was not here in 1907. That temperature of 101 would have been taken near downtown, probably on the banks of Buffalo Bayou. Hobby Airport, 97. The record is 102, set back in 2017. So that one's legit. Hobby was there in 2017. And then Galveston, 94 today. The record is 96, set back in 1875. I believe they were taking the temperature at the post office in 1875 in Galveston. Beautiful shot from our broadcast tower in Missouri City. Tomorrow, 20% rain chance. We'll still go for 99. Thursday, 30% rain chance, 98. Friday, 40% rain chance, maybe 98. If we get showers earlier, maybe not quite 98. So rain chances creeping up, temperatures creeping down over the next 3 days. Outside right now, it's been a little hazy. There's a little bit of Saharan dust in the atmosphere. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. Galveston is 92. Pearland is 96. Sugar Land is 97. Conroe 96. And again, these temperatures coming in at 632 on this Tuesday evening in Houston. Factor in the humidity. It feels like 101 at Bush. Huntsville feels like 103. Galveston, you feel like 95. What a beautiful beach evening in Galveston right now. Pearland feels like 99. Sugar Land feels like 100. It will still feel like mid-90s this evening as the heat is the big story across the south central and southeast United States. All the folks in pink, that's an extreme heat warning. Mid-Mississippi Valley seeing the worst of the heat and humidity. There feels like temperatures are above 110 this afternoon. They're improving right now, but they were bad earlier. We're not involved in any of that, but it's close, so that's why we're hot here. These are current feels like temperatures, and for example, Jackson, Mississippi, where it's hot and very humid, feels like 111. We are comparatively much more comfortable with a feels like temperature of 101. Dallas feels like 100. That's right now here, a little after 6:30. The reason we're so hot, the high pressure dome, the mountain of air is sitting right over the deep south. That sinking air, it helps to heat up the atmosphere when it sinks. Also traps particulates, one of the reasons why we have hazy skies this evening. This weather pattern is going to change. The high is going to split. We'll have one mountain out to the west, one mountain over toward the east part of the Gulf, and then in between we're going to get a valley. That's what we call a weakness in meteorological terms. A weakness usually equals unsettled weather. Better chance for rain and scattered thunder showers when you get a valley near where you live, and that will be over Houston as we head into Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, that valley stays with us and we get better rain chances going into the weekend. You can see the humidity just from looking at the satellite and radar. This is where it's super humid. That's why Jackson feels like 111. They've got scattered showers around. We're not nearly as humid, just hot. But this humidity is also what's producing a chance for rain showers. And as that moves closer to us and the ridge begins to break down and we get that valley forming over us, the humidity comes in, that will increase the rain chances. So bigger picture, here's how this plays out. This is now with a few scattered showers near Jackson, Mississippi, and we're dry. We'll go into Wednesday, and by Wednesday afternoon, a few scattered showers. There's a little more humidity and a little bit of more weakness in the atmosphere begins to approach the Houston area. So tomorrow it's a slight chance, 20% chance for an isolated shower for Houston. Then we'll go into Thursday Yeah, it's a little better chance for the sea breeze to get going, come in and give us a little bit more widespread scattered showers. Thursday, I'm only going 30%. It's not a washout, but you can see rain chances beginning to show up around Houston, Galveston, southeast Texas as we head toward Thursday, a little bit more on Friday, and even more action we expect on Saturday. Just a closer view of tomorrow. This is 6 a.m. We'll just start the day here in Houston, warm and sticky. Scattered showers, Vermilion Bay and offshore and over toward Lake Charles and Lafayette. We'll go into the afternoon. This is noon 30. These showers, cooling rain showers, get tantalizingly close. Upper level wind flow will be coming out of the east to west, so I think we may see a lot of mid and high level cloud cover tomorrow. That may keep our temperature down a degree tomorrow, and we don't see much rain chance showing up on the models. That's been very consistent the past 24 hours. Every model run of the high res has rain coming to the Texas-Louisiana border, and then as it moves this way, it just fizzles out. There's still too much of a mountain over us tomorrow to give us much of a rain chance, but there is a slight chance for an isolated shower. Tomorrow, a big picture looking further out in time, August 4th through the 8th. Monsoon settles down. They get some heat in the desert southwest. A little wetter than normal in the deep southeast United States up to the Carolinas and the Virginias. We're kind of normal August 4th through August 8th on our rainfall. Heat, a little bit above normal for Houston. As we get drier out here, they're going to heat up in the desert southwest. Temperatures August 4th through August 8th are forecast to be above normal in Texas, below normal with the rain shifting further west. So the deserts of LA and into Nevada may get their turn, those deserts, at getting a little desert rain and monsoon flow. I wanted to show you what's going on in the Pacific tropical wise. Here's Mexico. There's the United States. Way out in the open Pacific, south of the Hawaiian Islands, got a couple of systems. The big one, the Cat 3 hurricane, that is Iona moving west at 14, winds of 125. And then just north of it is Kelly, tropical storm. Both are heading west. They stay far away from Hawaii. They will be fizzling out into remnant lows over the next several days, although Iona may hang on, still be a tropical storm by the time we get to Friday, but both of those forecast to weaken over the next several days. Back to our side, on the Atlantic side, we're still in what is statistically the quiet part of hurricane season. Not always, but statistically it is. We're here heading into the end of July, toward August the 1st, this Friday. It's really after August 1st that things really statistically get busy. We go up to September 10th. That's the statistical peak. And then we stay busy, fall off a little bit, secondary peak at the end of October, and then we drop off pretty quickly as we head into the late fall and winter. 16 named storms is what Colorado State University is forecasting for the season. That would put us above normal at 14. Hurricanes 8, major hurricanes 3. Major hurricane is Cat 3 or above. And so far, we've had 1, 2, 3 tropical storms, very short-lived tropical storms. Acquired cyclone energy, ACE. The ACE index in the Atlantic is a little bit below normal right now, where we are standing at this part of the season. But again, it's early. If we're going to get all 16 storms, we're going to go all the way to Pablo. We'll see if we get there. Things will have to get busy in a hurry to get there. Sea surface temperatures are plenty warm. This is a map of sea surface temperature anomaly, meaning anything as you get into yellow and orange is considered a little bit above or a little bit warmer than normal. We're slightly warmer than normal across the Atlantic basin. It's not resulting in any storms right now. We look at the satellite and enhanced satellite over the Gulf, scattered showers, nothing tropical. Nothing tropical here, just some energy that came off the coast of Nicaragua and Honduras. Open Atlantic. Here's the intertropical conversion zone. This is the main development region for August and September. Scattered showers, but nothing getting organized out there. And one of the big reasons is, although we've got warm water, we have plenty of dust. Again, that's a dry sinking layer of air. Dust continues to blow off the Sahara. That is one factor in keeping things quiet out here for now. Okay, here's Wednesday. Hot morning, 78. 92 by noon. There is a 20% chance that you will see an isolated shower or thunder shower. A little better chance east of I-45, but don't count on rain to cool you off tomorrow. I'm going to forecast 99, the extended 98 Thursday, Friday, as rain chances become a little better, 30 and 40%. Then it's mid-90s, and we'll call it numerous scattered showers and thunder showers. Saturday and Sunday, a 50-50 chance you get some rain Saturday and Sunday. Keep rain chances at 40% going into Monday as we break this 2 or 3 days here where we're making a run toward 100 and go back to the mid-90s with rain chances picking up as we head into the weekend. Can't get here fast enough. That's where we stand. Have a beautiful evening, everybody.